Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again, and I will take you how to split or how to crop any videos clip inside the YouTube's editor. So this is my friend's channel that he want me to do for him, and I also want to explain and how does it work with the video editors inside the YouTube editors. So if you want any video that you think you want to split, for example, you generally click on the detail here. If you choose that video, you want to edit that video, so click on that. And you will see on the left hand side here, you will see the editor. So now go ahead and click on that. So and here is the way that you can stream and split and crop all of this video here. For example, inside this clip you will see the something that look like from this point to this point, it is nothing, or it's the lower sound. So if you think you want to cut it out from this part to this part, you need to click on the stream like this, and you need to click on the start point that you want to cut out, and then click on split, and then you need to select the end points of that video split. So now I'm gonna click split on that, or you can select like this by dragging from one side to the other side when you click on split. After you click that, you need to review, and here is the way that you can crop from the latest point to the last point to whatever, and you can also use that hover here to see your preview inside the screen. What point are you going to split that or crop that? So you can drag it as the way long that you want to crop it from the starting point or from the latest point. And for example, I want to crop it from the starting point to this point, so I need to crop it like this. And here is the cutting point, so I want to cut it out, cut from this place, from this point to this point, so I want to cut it out like this. After you think everything is done, click on the previews here, and then click on save, and click on save, and the video will starting to the blur screen like this. It means that it will take some time to be processing your video, and the video will be cutting, okay. So I think you understand this. So thank you for watching, and you will see this. The video is processing now here. So thank you for watching my video tutorial. Please subscribe, rate or comment below if you have any question about it.